Hi student, I am Pranali teacher and today we are going to learn about the types of cell division. Last time we had seen the types of cell division, that is mitosis and meiosis. Mitosis also done at the last time. Today we are going to learn about meiosis. What is a meiosis? Cell division. So meiosis is take place in germ cell. See here, meiosis is take place in germ cell, and in meiosis there are 5 stages of prophase. So which are the 5 stages of prophase? First one is liptotin, second is zygotin, third one is pectitin, fourth one is diplotin, and fifth one is dikinesis. So these are the phases of prophase in meiosis. See, meiosis is a take place in germ cell. There are 5 stages of prophase. But first, what is a germ cell? Germ cell is a particularly a reproductive cell which is already present in a living organism, and it contains only one pair of a chromosome. One pair of a chromosome is there, that is a sex chromosome. So these are a germ cell. So in prophase there are 5 phases: liptotin, zygotin, pectitin, diplotin, and dikinesis. So first we see here about liptotin. What is a liptotin? See, liptotin replicated chromatin network condense. See here. See, this is a diagram of liptotin. This is a chromatin network. See here. This is a chromatin network and it becomes condensed. Condensed means get compact. So replicated. Replicated means replica. Replica means looking similar to each other. See, looking similar to each other, that means replicated chromatin network is condensed, get compact, and start converting into long thin thread like chromosome. They are converted into thin thread like chromosome in liptotin. Then second phase is zygotin. See in the diagram, zygotin. Homologous chromosome come closer to each other. First, what is a homologous chromosome? See here, homologous chromosome means looking similar to each other. Looking alike is known as homologous chromosome. This homologous chromosome comes closer to each other and this pairing is formed, and this pairing is called as synapse. See here in the diagram, this pairing is called as synapse. So what is we learn here in zygotin? Homologous chromosome. Homologous means similar to each other, looking alike. Chromosomes comes closer to each other and they form a pair, and this pairing is called synapse. See here, these are homologous chromosome and their pairing is called a synapse. Then third phase is pectitin. In pectitin, crossing over occurs between non-sister chromatid of a homologous chromosome, and this crossing is called chiasmata. See, this is a diagram of pectitin. In pectitin, crossing over occurs of non-sister chromatid. Non-sister chromatid. See a sister chromatid. These are a sister chromatid. These are a sister chromatid. So non-sister chromatid crossing over and homologous chromosome are crossing is called a chiasmata. This process is known as a chiasmata. See, these are chiasmata. So crossing over occurs between non-sister chromatid of homologous chromosome. Crossing is called chiasmata. Then the next phase is diplotin. See in the diagram, diplotin. Recombined sister chromatid start rappelling. Means in that stage the sister chromatid start replicate to each other. Replicate means see here, replication. Replica means duplicate. In short, it is called duplicate. So recombination of sister chromatid start getting duplicate, that is rappelling. Nucleolus and nuclear membrane start disappearing. See, this is your nuclear membrane, and this is your nucleolus. So nucleolus and nuclear membrane is slowly gets disappeared in that stage, diplotin. Then the last one is dikinesis. In dikinesis, chromosome condense and short. In that stage, chromosomes become condensed. See, chromosomes are become condensed and become shortened in length. Nucleolus and nuclear membrane completely disappear. See in the diagram, there is a no inner membrane like this. This is the inner membrane, that is nuclear membrane. So there is a no nuclear membrane. Nuclear membrane is completely disappear. Nucleolus is also disappear here, and spindle fiber begins to appear. See, a net like structure is this spindle fiber, dot dot dot. This spindle fiber is nothing but what? Proteins. Flexible proteins is called a spindle fiber. So this is about dikinesis. So these are whole 5 stages of meiosis. In meiosis, prophase. These are the 5 stages of prophase: liptotin, zygotin, pectitin, diplotin, and dikinesis. So in that whole answer we see that germ cell, and last time in mitosis we see a somatic cell. Mitosis is take place in somatic cell. So what is exactly somatic cell? Somatic cell is any cell of a living organism other than reproductive cell. That is skin, nerve cell, blood cells, bones. These are what? Somatic cell. So mitosis is take place only this somatic cell. It is not take place in reproductive cell. So this is not a reproductive cell. It is any cell of a living organism other than reproductive cell. Then germ cell, reproductive cell containing only one set of chromosomes. So this is about somatic and germ cell. So this is the whole 5 stages of a prophase in meiosis. Thank you.